their children. Last day I taught you 9 lessons. I want to teach lesson 10, challenging the caste system. Now look at the lesson number 10, page number 63. Important terms. Caste, a term meaning jati. In Hindi, it is a social group based on hierarchy. In the previous chapter, we came to know about the indifferent attitude of the society towards women. Another ill that plagued Indian society was the caste system. The word caste expresses a hierarchical relationship. Caste system is the basis of the Hindu social organization. According to French scholar Louis Demon, the caste system is based on the notion of purity and pollution. Those who are at the top of pollution purity hierarchy or ladder are given the highest place, while those at the bottom are accorded the lowest status, untouchable. They were taught to have a polluting effect on people, and hence a high caste person would not eat or drink anything touched by untouchable. Origin of the caste system. The origin of caste system can be traced to the Rigvedic period. The Aryans introduced this system as a discrimination based on varna or color. They were fair skinned people who considered themselves to be superior to the dark skinned original inhabitants of India, whom they called the Dashus or Dashas. Later, the Vedic society was divided into 4 classes on the basis of karma or occupation: the Brahmin, Kshatri, the Vaishya, and the Shudras. During the post Vedic period, the caste system became more rigid. It came to be associated with birth and became hereditary. Earlier, people had the freedom to change their profession. The caste system became complex as several subcastes came into existence. Evils of the caste system. As the caste system grew rigid, several evils crept into the society. First, a person born into the particular caste was forced to take up his family profession. The strict caste rule did not permit any change of profession. People could not develop skill other than their own. It hindered the free development of society, which as a result became stagnant. Second, the division of society into various castes gave rise a social inequality. The low caste were treated as inferior and were deprived of the privilege enjoyed by the higher caste. Third, the rigid caste rules and regulation did not permit intercaste marriage and interdining. Such regulation further narrowed the outlook of the people and checked the growth of society. Now, argument for reform in the caste system. Caste reform were initiated in the 19th century by some enlightened, the educated Indians. Such reform were motivated by a spirit of inquiry to replace blind faith in current tradition. Beliefs, system and custom of the society. They were also aware of the fact that the cause of our subjugation was the internal weakness of our social structure. Educated Indians were greatly moved by the Western ideas of humanism and relationalism, and so they began to look at the strength and shortcoming of society in order to remove the social evil. The factors responsible for initiating reform in the caste system were as follows. A rigid caste system had fractured the Hindu society deeply. The social disunity was disastrous for Hindu society as a whole. Second, the educated reforms believed that the hereditary caste system was a great hindrance in the development of one's talents and personal advancement. Third, the rigid caste rule made the Hindu religion unpopular. The lower caste restored to conversion of faith, mainly Christianity. The caste system was largely responsible for the development of the narrow outlook among the Indians and did not allow them to mix freely with foreigners or to adopt radical views. Fifth, the Sudras were considered untouchables. They were exploited by the upper caste. They lived in secularism and led a miserable life. Sixth, the caste system was responsible for a low physical development, national poverty, hindrance in intellectual progress, aversion for social reform, limits on individual liberty, hindrance in the development of nationalism, class conflict, moral degradation, and a false sense of pride among the upper caste. This created inequalities and disunity in society. Next, next day I will you teach